Hey, are you tired of struggling with Shopify reports? Spending hours manually compiling data? It's time for an upgrade. Introducing Whatsdash, the ultimate Shopify advanced reporting tool that automates, customizes, and supercharges your analytics. In-depth, customized reports tailored for your business. Connect multiple data sources like Google Analytics, ads, and social media. Automate report scheduling and save up to a week every month. Make smarter, data-driven decisions effortlessly. Today, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store with Whatsdash in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, confirm that you log in your Shopify store admin. Then go to apps.shopify.com. Now type in search bar Whatsdash and press enter. Click on Whatsdash. Open the Whatsdash page, now click on Install. Now select your account. It takes some time. Please wait. It redirect on your Shopify store. Click on Install, and please wait for a moment. After successfully install it, redirect on portal.whatsdash.com. Now your account is connected. Let's create your report. Now try another way. Go to portal.whatsdash.com and log in. If you have no account, then simply register with one click and log in. After login, click on the Integrations tab, which is available on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Shopify. Click on the plus icon next to Shopify in the list of available integrations. A pop-up will appear. Now go to your Shopify store, click on Profile, then click on All Store. Now copy store subdomain. Go back on Whatsdash. Now paste it on pop-up prompt. Click on Next button. After click Next, open Shopify authentication pop-up automatically. Show Whatsdash and click on Install. Connect successfully. Now your Shopify store is connected on Whatsdash. Feel free and create your reports. How to create Shopify Advanced Report video on our channel. Please go and watch this tutorial and create your reports.